Hey guys, how's it going? Finally, welcome back to another Fan Feature Friday. I hope you all had an incredible week and, as always, an even better weekend up ahead. Who do we have to celebrate this continuation of Fan Feature Friday with? We have Don. He was actually our fan feature in Fan Feature Friday number 16. He's following up with some of the upgrades that he wanted to do with the vehicle in that one. So I'm going to leave that link down in the description. If you guys want to see what else his 4Runner has, it's a 2019 TRD Pro in midnight black. Looks so good, but he hates the color for some reason. Don, I love it. The murdered out black look looks super good. But let's go ahead and dive into it, guys. He's replaced his Greenlane sliders. I'm pretty sure he had Greenlane before, with their new kickout sliders. He got rid of the silly TRD FJ inspired roof rack and went with a Greenlane full length custom roof rack, and it has a TRD Pro engraved kind of wind deflector in the front. Looks very cool. I love Greenlane's products. All aluminum. They look nice and slim, contoured to the vehicle. They don't stand out crazy. The low pro bumper looks great on it. The ladder, really good, Don. He installed Specialty Products upper control arms with a rough country 1.5-inch lift, and he paired that with Toyo ATII 285 7017s, and he also added to that lift to help out the Greenlane Diff-Drop kit. Since he has bigger tires on the vehicle, mud flings all over the place, so he replaced the factory mud flaps with Rally Armour kit mud flaps that provides a lot more protection for the vehicle, and he says others on the road as well. He replaced his stock intake with the TRD intake from Toyota, and he also put a K&N air filter in it despite his dealership telling him not to. His dealership plays a role in some stuff, and we'll get back to that at the end. He replaced all of his speakers on the inside with massive audio speakers, and he Dynamatted all the interior doors of the vehicle. He added a cool little TRD Pro logo to the passenger side of the dash. This looks really nice. I like these added custom features that people do to their own vehicles to make them even more of their own. It's these little touches that I like so much. He added bulletproof Molle panels in the rear to hold his fire extinguishers, knives, hatchets, saws, first aid kits, and a bunch of other recovery gear. He added Rotopak's fuel/water panel, a Yakima Slim Shady canopy, I love that name still, and other mounts on top of the Greenlane roof rack. Some stuff he still has to do is full undercarriage armor, protect that thing all up underneath. He wants to put a hidden light bar in the grill, underwood compressor, and a MagnaFlow exhaust. And here's where his dealership rounds out this email, because his dealership told him that he could not order the TRD Pro exhaust exclusive for the 2020s, they said. I'm not sure about that because we can in certain dealerships, maybe, Don, but definitely try eBay. I've seen them on eBay. I think they're like $700 to $750. Some dealership was marketing it on eBay, so you may be able to get it there if you haven't already ordered the MagnaFlow exhaust yet. But Don, thank you so much for saving Fan Feature Friday. I appreciate it. Your rig looks awesome as ever. Very usable, but at the same time, exceptionally clean. I love that look. So thank you so much for sending it in. Guys, thank you for the support this week. We're actually able to get a decent amount of videos out. There is one coming tomorrow. I test drove a vehicle at the dealership, but that video will come tomorrow. You guys have a wonderful weekend, and I will catch you in the next one. All right, see you later.